This video covers changing financial ownership on an invoice that is locked down by a financial month. There are many scenarios that may require financial ownership corrections on an invoice, so please review the attached solution article for more information on these corrections and how to complete them. This video covers the basic principles of changes that may be completed. To change ownership on any invoice, first you must ensure that there are no payments or credits assigned to the invoice from any financial parties involved. This can be checked from the billing correction window. The billing correction window can be accessed from the administration drop-down within the patient invoice, or from the top of the Ledger tab once the invoice record has been highlighted. If there are any payments or credits assigned to the invoice, the status of the invoice will show paid or partially paid for that customer. To remove the payments assigned to the invoice, click Unassign, then click OK in the window to save your change. To change financial ownership without creating any financial correction entries, start by opening the billing correction window for the invoice. The billing correction window will display the current financial ownership. In this example, we are changing financial ownership from 100% under Tara to 100% under Lucas. Start by clicking Change. The window that displays is warning us that customers need to be manually notified by the practice of this change, as this will conflict with previous statements that may have been sent out. Click Yes if you are absolutely sure this is the change you wish to make. In the following window, select the new customer from the list. Now that our invoice ownership is set appropriately, click OK to save your changes. We now no longer see any record of the invoice under Tara's account, and we do see the invoice record under Lucas's account. In our next scenario, if you are changing the split percentages, or if you want to have the new financial responsibility dated in the current month, follow the steps in this example. Here, we are changing this invoice from 100% ownership under Laura to a 50-50 split between Laura and Matthew. Start by opening the billing correction window and select Reverse adjacent to the current ownership for Laura. Use the Add Account Charge option to search for Laura, then use the Enter Amount field to add her financial ownership at 50%. Click OK to save your changes. Now we'll go ahead and follow these same steps for Matthew. To save these changes, click OK in the billing correction window. On Laura's ledger, we now see the initial invoice where she had 100% ownership was reversed, and there is a new financial responsibility entry for her 50% ownership. On Matthew's ledger, we see the new financial responsibility entry for his 50% ownership. That concludes our video on changing financial ownership on an invoice that is locked down. Thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video.